pistol only challenge is where I can only use my pistol to get my kills, nothing else, not even specialist item. I have to use my pistol. I will be using the pistol right here. It's called the Mazu. In order to complete this challenge, I have to get 10 kills with the Mazu. 3 of those has to be in a score streak, and I have to get the win in the end. Stay tuned to see if my team clutches up, I clutch up, and see if I get the win. Please leave a like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below what challenge I should do next on Call of Duty 3. Enjoy the video. Alright, so I'm going to be running Crash in the Mazu pistol. It's not the best pistol, but at least it does damage. It has only 6 bullets, so that's the problem. So that's 1. But the mags on this thing is crazy. So close. Is that like half a heart? I feel like my whole team's sticking right next to each other. That's good. Payback, basically. Leveled up my gun. That's 1 kill down. Gotta get 3. The count. Even though it looks like it was 3 kills in a row, it wasn't, because I had died. My dude was literally risking his life just to kill that one dude. Okay, 7 kills. Is that 8? It's 8. Oh my gosh. It's always that like final part to it. Just really close. Nine. One more. Kills. Now we just gotta get a 3 kill streak. And that's 1.
Medical override system available. An enemy hacker is attempting to breach our system.
It's 2. I just need 1 more and a win, and then we complete the challenge. 1 more without dying, I must say. Wait, I got it! Alright, now we just gotta get a win.
Enemy RCXD in your AO.
Driving RCXD.
Control systems are back online.
This thing's so hard to disappear. Oh, I thought I almost had that other kid. Okay. We're losing? Oh no. Yeah, that's good. Did he die? No, we're good. Oh, frick. Woo! Oh, I thought I had full bullets. I couldn't see though because she balled me.
Q stores open.
Task Q if you're ready. Request sniper's nest above.
Oh, we got a sniper's nest above. I should secure the win.
Reaper requesting strike.
One by dead Vanguard.
Okay, also, my highest kill game is 22. And as you can see, I'm really close to that. 5 kills away might not seem like that much. No, it might seem like a lot, but it's actually not that much. But since we're really close to the win at the moment, I don't know. Dude, this guy's hitting us all. I don't think I can get my highest kill game though. Three kills.
Take the win.
All I gotta get.
An enemy hacker is attempting to breach our systems.
2 kills.
Systems have been affected by an enemy hacker.
To kill, so I gotta hurry and clutch up. No! Come on, 99. I gotta get this last kill. No! Hey, at least I tied with my record, and I beat the challenge, so that was great. That was actually really great. Let's watch this. How did those people not see him, honestly? Holy crap, there's more? He literally got... wow. Alright, well, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Please check out all my other videos. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.